Excitement is building around the rumored camera upgrades for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with leaks suggesting some of the biggest improvements in years. If these reports are accurate, Samsung might be bringing back a long-lost feature while also making significant changes to its zoom cameras. These upgrades could finally deliver the kind of photography experience many users have been waiting for. One of the biggest claims is the possible return of variable aperture. Samsung introduced this feature with the Galaxy S9, allowing the camera to switch between different aperture settings depending on lighting conditions. However, it was later removed in newer models. Now, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 200 megapixel primary sensor could include a variable aperture, ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0. For comparison, the Galaxy S9 only had a range of f/1.5 to f/2.4. If this information is correct, users could have better control over light intake, resulting in improved image quality in both bright and low light environments. Samsung's zoom cameras might also be getting a big upgrade. While the 50 megapixel secondary sensor may not seem like a major leap, reports indicate that the company plans to replace its current 10 megapixel 3x zoom sensor with a new 50 megapixel sensor that offers 3.5 optical zoom. This could result in sharper, more detailed images when zooming at mid-range distances, making everyday photography much clearer. The second zoom lens is also expected to see improvements. According to leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature a 50 megapixel sensor with 8x zoom and a 184mm focal length. This would be an upgrade from the 50 megapixel 5x zoom camera found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If true, these changes could bring significantly better zoom quality, making this one of the best smartphones for capturing long-distance shots. However, not all leaks are pointing in the same direction. Some reports suggest that Samsung may remove one of the zoom cameras altogether. This could be an effort to simplify the camera system, reduce costs, or improve efficiency in other areas. If this turns out to be true, it would be an unexpected decision, given Samsung's track record of focusing on zoom technology in its premium models. Samsung has been known for making steady improvements to its cameras rather than introducing drastic changes. If these rumored upgrades make it to the final model, they can bring renewed excitement among users looking for a major step forward in smartphone photography. Since the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still nearly a year away from release, it's important to take these leaks with a grain of salt. Smartphone features often change before the official launch, and nothing is confirmed until Samsung makes an announcement. Some of these details may be exaggerated or inaccurate, while others could give us an early look at what to expect. If these camera upgrades do happen, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could set a new benchmark for smartphone photography. The return of variable aperture could enhance images in different lighting conditions, and the upgraded zoom lenses could offer sharper long-distance shots. If Samsung chooses to keep both zoom cameras, it could result in one of the most advanced camera systems on a smartphone. As more leaks emerge in the coming months, we'll get a better idea of what Samsung has planned. Until then, it's best to stay cautiously optimistic. Would these rumored camera features be enough to convince you to upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.